I call the JP to find out say Cecil is a man that just come out of prison, or a scammer. He's also a batty man, and the man who I lend the money to, I'm boyfriend. The two of them disappear from the face of the planet with my 100 grand. Well, we're done there, so why not do this? I tell you about the time I get scammed. This is not a clickbait, this is a real actual story. Before YouTube, I used to lend my friend them money. I used to lend them 20 grand, 30 grand, you know, I'm a friend them. Till one day, I lend on my phone bridging them money and he never did pay me back. I lend him 60 grand. 2 months pass, him no want pay me. 3 months pass, him no want pay me. 4 months pass, him no want pay me. Alright, so I get fed up now. I start posting on Facebook because him post on Facebook to get sales. So me decide to make stop him sales if he not pay me. I go up on Facebook, I'm gonna post him face, say yo, this man take my money down and pay me back, blah blah blah. So come this random person, a woman. This woman texts me and be like, hey, I know somebody who can help you get your money. The person send me a WhatsApp number and say contact this person. I contact the person and the person say, yeah man, I can help you and things. Long story short, the person helped me get back my money from the youth who did owe me. Get back the money now and the person start give me advice. Say, yo, you need for license your business, you need for get contracts where them can sign. You need for ask for proof of address. I start taking him advice because I had an idea him help me get back the money. I never pay him nothing, him never ask me nothing. Him just say, yo, make him help me be a businessman. First thing we do is we license the business. I took my $12,000. How I used to make money, I used to sell phones. Yeah, ask my girlfriend, we used to sell phone. They call 100 grand. Yeah man. Him give me a link for license the business. So I go downtown, I go to some person where license thing like, I don't remember what you call it. I end up pay $12,000, then give me a thing like a couple months after and it's stamped and it's a Kimani White loan business, KW loans, blah blah blah. So actually right now I actually have a business. Then probably I'm probably supposed to owe tax on the business. I'm not even use it. Boom, him help me do that and him help me print up some contracts, him print them himself, him type them up for me, him help me do whole heap of things. I start lending out money to people, him help me get information from them. Yo, the man did that, help my brother. Him did that, help me. 3 months down the line, him asked me, him say, when I'm friend them want a loan. Yo, Breeze, easy. Him tell me say, oh my god, Breeze. Him link me and him say, when I'm friend them want a loan. I say, how much? Remember I said this is the man that helped me for about 3 months, you know. His name Cecil Williams. If I tell you the real name. At first, him then give me a different name. I'm not remember it, but I remember the real name. Because the real name mean more. Him say, 200,000. I say, I don't have that, you know. Can I give him 100? This is money when me save up from the loan business. Plus, when me to sell phone. This is before YouTube, you know. Him come. By the way, this is the first me I meet him, you know. While he might help me, it's over the phone. And it was a lot of help, it's good advice, everything. Finally meet him, he's a fat black man. Person will come, when him say who need the loan, him say he's a taxi man and him vehicle brought down and need the loan and I give them the 100 grand, sign the contract and thing. I get proof of address. I did give Cecil the phone for record. I say, I need other proof just in case I need to go to court. Him never get nobody face in the recording. Just did a video hand and people sign and boy, I made it delusional and stupid. Him never get nobody face in the video. And I never did a meds it because I had an idea he was the guy that was helping me. Long story short, time to collect my money now. 2 months pass. Me I link Cecil. If you get back the money, he must say, why you rush the man and he's getting defensive. So I'm like, alright. I see Cecil friend, probably that's him I go answer. 1 more month pass. Yo, like money me spin it back cause I kinda run low one. He must say, well, enough advice me give you owe me for. What? So he might tell me say, him did a charge me for the advice there, man. Ray, so I must give the man more time. And I'm like, yo, so why you a get involved in a that? Long story short, I can't get back my money. And I decide, say, I go guard the man yard where owe me. Cecil never answer my calls. I got the house, nobody not live there. The people that would live there move. So they move from them borrow the money. If you carry somebody got caught, you need to give them a summons. It's like a paper and whatever. Now if you can't find the person, you can't carry them got caught. If you cannot find the person, you can't carry them got caught. You need to give them the summons. Either drop it by them foot if they don't want to take it, or put it in them hand. I can't find the man, no way. Proof of address, them did use a JP. Them never did use no bill or nothing. Them use a JP for sign, say yeah, them live here so. You know you can pay JP for do things like them. Them don't ask no questions. I call a JP to find out say Cecil is a man that just come out of prison or a scammer. He's also a batty man. And the man who I lend the money to, I'm boyfriend. The two of them disappear for the face of the planet with my 100 grand. And that money they made I use to spin back my business. Can't find the man. Can't carry them got caught. My business license and I have the contract and everything. But them find a loophole is like if I can't find them, I can't carry them got caught. I'm tell you right now, me see Cecil is my two year them right now. Me I run on him and I shoot a knife in him and left him because the amount of hungry days that man make me go through. Yeah, good times. Can't find the man, it's a fat man. His name Cecil Williams. The name that he gave me, that wasn't the name I was calling him. How me end up finding out his name is when I go to JP. JP I tell me say, that's not his real name. The JP thought that is a bank account. Then that got open. That's why I'm signing it and brother, if you have a business and somebody come to you with letter signed by JP, don't trust that shit because people can pay people to yeah. My life is a movie.
Let me tell you for the axe. Tell you this, tell you that. Tell you this, tell you that. Certain tell you in break out.
Him help me just for thief the money from me. And you know what's crazy? After me did lend the man the money, Cecil did ask more money from me. Like him did I say, oh, him have like him have a shop in his yard or something like that. And he want me to invest in the shop so he can get goods and things. Mind you, I don't know where Cecil living. So if he take the money, there's no guarantee of me getting it back. And I was like, no, I'm gonna wait till I get my money from the man. And brother, he used to get mad. And me always I wonder like, why am I getting so mad? I couldn't see through it. I couldn't see past it. I couldn't see past the bullshit, past the fuckery. It's so gullible. Them time I was 18. Was I 18 yet? I think I was 18 around that time. Them time I never lived with my mother. Them time my mother kicked me out a long time and made I try a thing. Whenever I have a job, me sell iPhone, try the loan thing. That's why me will never lend a man money again. Me? If you like the video, drop a like, thumbs up. I don't know. When I think about this, it really mash up my meds. You know, long I don't meds them thing. Because I don't know what to post. I don't know what to post. Like, I usually post pranks, but I don't want to catch coronavirus by going outside because this breeze, man. Them say corona hot. And then if you check if you have corona, I'm shoot it in your nose. But yeah, big up yourself. If you know me from Snapchat days, then you probably even lend your money. Anyways, bye. How that? How did I eat? I can't get brush your teeth before the video. Like, I can't prepare.
Anyway, my bro, my car, my gun, you know. Them can't taste. Them nobody know.
America, them a no gangster, something them a try. One pan means like a something me a buy.
Cash spend, money poor. Your style ever make body go. Your head me tip on me toe. She no send no message from my phone, but she send the pussy on the store.